Hi guys, welcome back to Dan with your YouTubers AUS consoles, and it's lift tour time! This is Taronga Zoo in Sydney, Australia, and it loaded of Thyssenkrupps. And now we go to the first Thyssenkrupp, which isn't actually a Thyssenkrupp, it's made by Lift, and this lift was at the entrance to the gondola, and it's sadly not for passengers. So now let's go ride the gondola! Yay! And this is literally my second gondola.
Can you go over to Mum? You can see them.
See the baby Instead of us, some lifts are filmed in Taronga Zoo, so there'll be a tour called Lifts at Taronga Zoo then.
He loves lifts.
Yeah, and I'm doing it, and that's it.
And now, here's some animals that you don't see in Wellington Zoo, where I'm from. Firstly, you don't see these cute koalas, and there also used to be some zebras in Wellington Zoo, except they're gone now. Oh well, now to the next lift, which is a Thyssenkrupp, except it actually is a genetic Thyssenkrupp, and it has like an indicator from Sweden.
I don't know who made this. Two bunches.
And here is the neat. Anyways, let's go down to one. Oh, bumping. I think it's like a cab. Oh, it's made by. Oh, it's a Thyssenkrupp. Oh, it's a Thyssenkrupp. Isn't that interesting? We got one. Door opens. Isn't that interesting? A Thyssenkrupp. This is my very first Thyssenkrupp. Isn't that interesting? Let's watch it go. And that's it. And here are the escalators next to the lift, which I don't know what they're made of. Or I don't know the company who installed them.
These are some dank escalators. You got some view. There's the gondola I just filmed recently too. You can, yeah, it is allowed to walk down here. Maintained by Thyssenkrupp. Oh well, that's it.
And now, there are also some birds there. And as well as that, there was also a theatre. Really nice theatre. And as well as that, guess what's a weird feature about? Some scales. They're pretty much free to use. And now we go to the first ever proper Thyssenkrupp. Let's ride it! And this was installed in 2003.
The museum. You see some of what you call it. It went down to the second floor. I mean the first floor. Yeah, it looks like you're only able to look out the third floor. Oh well. Yeah, this is a really deep look. It's scenic, and this time it's an actual Thyssenkrupp. Yay! The bun already got twist. And here is the lift. Let's open up. And let's let the owners go out first. Lightning cab. Looks different. Which floor are you going to? Which floor are you going to? Anyways, capacity is 1,100 kilograms, 20 persons. There's your indicator installed in 2003, I think. Let's look out the window. Well, you can.
Level 2.
Nosotros vamos al tour, al 1.
Ground. Anyways, let's let these people go out.
Ven, mam.
And it's the only view you have. We have one.
Level 1.
is here. Let's get back up to 3. And after that, I'll film the escalator. We are 3.
Level 3.
Bing bong, I'm out. That's it. And there are some more escalators here in the lift, except the door Ashley's name was the last one, so.
Or at you know what Taronga Zoo. Taronga Zoo, really good to see escalators like these here.
Okay, easy cake installed by Schindler.
Okay,
Oh well,
this is
now to the next one, which is the
next
all-new Thyssenkrupps high-rise
You know
model.
what?
Exactly, it's
It's
got doors!
Place and it's got.
Wow.
It went up to the first floor. Hey, Dad, want to ride it with me? It's scenic. Dad, I'm just filming it. Just wait there, okay? I'm an elevator photographer. And see, this is on the ground. Oh, and on this floor, and on this one, it's called low basement. Oh. It's different to some of the other ones. Increase the and here is the lift. And let's go to
Ground.
1.
Ground, please.
She's going
Thank
ground.
you.
Line 1. Cab. Let's look at the window.
It's exciting, isn't it? I'm getting off the ground.
Nice to see this.
Which is this one?
Which floor are you going to?
Ground. Ground.
No, I was asking those guys. Which floor are you guys going to? Oh, basement. Anyways, I'm just writing this up to 1.
We're going up. Okay,
As you can see, it's a long way up to floor 1. Which floor are you guys going to? Which floor are you guys going to?
Are you going like that? Yeah, we're going down.
Sorry for the wait. The lift is practically busy.
There's no room for you, Mummy.
Yes, there is. We gotta go out that way anyway.
This is gonna be super.
Could you press G, please?
Okay.
Oh, so we gotta go back to G.
Yeah. Yeah, this lift is practically busy.
should not just took the steps. Oh no. We would have made it by now.
Oh no.
Dad's gonna be like, whoa.
Round.
This one.
Let those guys get out. Emergency telephone. Compared to 60,000 kilograms or 21 persons. Oh dear, here we go again. Which floor are you going to? Oh. Thank goodness they were going up to 1. We are basement. Lightning Thailand. For God's sake, that was a busy lift. Gives you an indicator last. Let's look inside the lift. Door closed. And that's it. This one goes up. See lift. All the way up to the first floor. That's it.
And now to the next of which is a platform going to a zoo enclosure. Didn't even bother ride platform lifts. Except I might have to ride a lift soon. Like the one at Wellesley Boutique Hotel. It's gated. I'm going to risk it, guys. Oh well, that's the end of the video. The end.